snake. Okay. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, okay. Ooh. Ooh. Cute. Lovely guy. Lovely, lovely snake. Lovely snake. Oh, yeah. How are you? Today you are my darling. I treat you as my baby. Ooh. How are you? Today I give you a name, white cream. White cream. So white cream because your color is white and you're creamy. Good, good, good. Oh, you kissed me. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oop, butter. Okay, okay. Good baby, good baby. Okay, okay, come up, cream, cream, salmon. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, okay, 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 creamy. Very cute, beautiful. One of the nice specimen, pure white and cream. Nice body, humid, misty, moist. Ooh. So this one is very friendly, very friendly. It's shedding skin out. Oh yeah, look at this. Hey, beautiful girl. It's a woman, huh? Girl?
This is my male.
Male, you're male.
This is male.
Well, you like feminine. Very soft and cute. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, 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 don't worry, don't worry. I'll put you back. I'll put you back. Okay. Oop. Okay, 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 okay. Oh, it's balancing even. You want to become a cobra. See, it can become a cobra already. It's lifting from the tail to the top. Wow, strong as a cobra. Okay, I'll put you inside. I'll put you inside. You're back home. Stay safe. Okay, okay, relax, relax your body. Look at the skin. Very beautiful skin. You have stripes here. Yellow stripes, creamy all around. The pattern like the Gabon viper. Beautiful, very beautiful skin. Beautiful skin. Huh? Beautiful skin, yeah. Okay, I'll put you back. Come. Inside. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. Slithering, okay, okay. Okay, 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 I'll put you back. Don't worry. Zigzag, zigzag. Okay, there. Okay, you're inside. You're inside. There you go. Stay safe. Okay. Oh. Okay, okay. All right. Wow, look at this. Look at the eyes. Beautiful, beautiful. Ooh. So this reptile, wow, look at this. Strong muscles from the tail to the body. Oh, look at this, look at this. U shape, right to the top. Amazing, amazing. You're so fascinating. You're like the goddess of Venus. Yeah, beautiful skin. Oh, I don't think I want to eat you up. Oh, Yeah, I know. You can be delicious, but you're not my type. Beautiful. Okay. Okay. Yep, baby. Yep. Oh, wow. Scare me. Because very.
He just yeah when you touch his
Oh, yeah.
head.
Oh, so
Yeah, he
so
just-
fast
yeah.
reflex. So fast reflex. Oh, yo. Oh, okay. Okay. Wow. I just put this here. Okay. Wow. Okay. Oh. Beautiful snake. Very beautiful and cute. Cute snake. Yeah. Beautiful snake. Okay. I'll pull you back to your home. So you have freedom of 5 minutes with me. Okay, Snakey. Okay, you want to go back home? Or you want to drink coffee with me? Come and drink coffee together. Okay, my coffee. Cheers. Okay. Good snake. Okay, goodbye. I gave you a good night kiss. Yeah. Lovely. Okay. Go back home. Good. Good snake. Okay. Oh, you want to go out again? Nah. You go inside. Go inside. You want fresh air? Yeah. Oh, look at this. Strong neck, strong balance. Amazing. Beautiful skin. Oh, yeah. Okay. Lovely snake. Yeah. Okay, time to go back home. Come. I know you want to enjoy freedom. Okay. All right. Lovely snake. Beautiful gecko. So yeah, close up with the gecko. It's wondering what is happening, and it's biting its throat. So it's getting more agitated, more aggressive. But since it's not venomous, not dangerous to the environment, it is calm. So yeah, the color, one white stripes on top on the head, and the tails, very long fat tails. So yeah, I won't eat you up today. People can sell you up in the market expensive, but I'm the wrong person for it. Cute. Okay, I'll put you back. So yes, you want to go back to the home? Inside? Okay, there you go. So you just recently opened up this one? The shop's new? You shop 1 month old?
Here it's 2 years.
2 years already. Oh. And you have your dog club, dog cafe. Dog shop? So you're the owner?
Yeah.
Or you're the owner of snake and also dog? Is this here? Dog cafe, soy, papaya, Thai? Yeah.
Yeah. It's on the South Pattaya Road.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Stop,
It's not far from
how
here.
much entry?
300.
300?
You can drink, dog treat, the Polaroid photos, and the new song.
Oh yeah. Can I see this one? This one, can I see this one? See it? Okay, yeah. Yeah, snake. This one is more design. Wow. Small snake. Steve. Steve, one day you'll grow up very big size, like a Titano boa. And they're able to strangle and kill and swallow. And you start growing fangs. So you're going to become from arboreal to venomous. But you have elapid eyes. And the shape of the head is really elongated, I would say. So yeah, you can mix up with venomous snakes, but you're not by your python by breed. So it's not that easy for people to realize or acknowledge you are not venomous. Cute. Okay. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. I'm keeping you safe. Come up. Okay. So the tail also is very sharp. Lucky it's not able to so yeah, the tail is sharp like a knife. So back in the days, I guess, when the tail was like metallic, it can cut through people's hearts. But now, modern times, we don't have this type of snake anymore. We have all this peaceful, freedom, soft, feminine snake that's found in the jungles. The only last remaining snake is the Nagamani. That is of all different colors, and it has dragon, chimera, diamond patterns on the snake. And in specific times, it grows a gemstone on the head, and that is called the Nagamani. But you're not the one that I'm looking for. Okay. Okay, slow. Cute snake. Oh. Okay, He's doing slithering. Okay. Okay, cool down, cool down. Alright. Okay. Oh, okay. Time to go back.